Yeah, so what's happened here is that pin's armoured and that steel bit there. It's come out. Yeah, there it is there. Yeah. There you go. I'm buying this because the guy says it can withstand any Glasgow pothole. Well, this wee motor's worked good. I'm very pleased with it. There's water running out now, what the fuck's that all about?
Nah,
Is that?
God, it's done the top one day.
You bastard. There, that's brand new.
What? That's not brand new.
Aye, I put that on. I did 2 top ones.
No, I don't know, minute.
Aye, it's done the top one and all.
Fuck's sake.
That's fucking, that's not meant to happen.
So, have you got enough for the top ones? Have we both the same?
No, the top ones are easy, they're mint. I'm going to talk here. Listen, we got a problem. We've snapped the...
Houston, we got a problem.
We've got a snapped hub and the threads are snapped. And it turns out it isn't the ball joint itself. I thought it had cracked because that's mild steel and I thought that pin was armoured.
Top one's cracked.
Top one's cracked, yep. Well, that was a failure I was expecting in both.
Fubar.
This is actually snapped the hub right at the threads. Look, that's unbelievable. And then cracked the top. This is going to need a full hub. Edinburgh. No, I'm trying to film on the way home. I did it in the Coyote coming here, and the thing is, I want to get that back road there to the petrol station. You see how I filled the tank? I had to go throw sand on it and all that because it was leaking out on the way here. But there's no fuel gauge. The dashboard's a nightmare, there's nowhere to lift the dash out. So I'm not fucking my back up crawling underneath the dash. Power tools.
There we are, one more world.